welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video tutorial, we are going to see again a very important topic from the Hive subqueries series that we are currently looking at, which is how we can use in clause in the Hive queries. So let me show you a table which is a typical customer table, and okay, there is some typo, I guess. Select star from customer, and see it has these many rows. Okay, so basically if I just describe this particular table for you, so it has the columns like customer code, customer name, city, which area the customer is working, country, grade, and some typical customer specific accounts. Okay, now let's say what we want to find out is that how many customers are there in this particular customer table which are belonging to the working area. And if we see, select working area from customer, right? So we have multiple working areas like London, New York, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, we have Toronto, we have, like, there are many. But let's say we wanted to find the customer in a very specific area, right? Working area. So in that case, there is always an option where you can put the where condition, right? Where working area is equal to this, or working, let's say we wanted to find working areas of a customer with three cities, let's say Mumbai, Bangalore, and let's say London for that matter. Okay, so then if you just try to use the where condition, right, then you might have to write three different conditions where working area is equal to Mumbai, or working area is equal to let's say Bangalore, or working area is equal to London. Instead of that, the Hive supports a clause called as in clause, which facilitates that within one single kind of a syntax, you can say, you can specify number of like comma separated entries that you wanted to find your where condition for. Okay, so for example, let's take the similar scenario that we wanted to find the customers from these three cities, let's say. So select star from customer where working area in, and here you just give three name of the three cities or regions that you wanted to find the customers for, right? Let's just, so as not to do the spelling mistake, I'm just copying and pasting this. Then Bangalore, Chennai, Bangalore, and let's say Mumbai. Okay, so this is what the benefit, right? Like, instead of putting three different where conditions with separated by or operator, you can just write the in clause and give whatever values that you wanted to apply the filter condition for. Okay, so in the same way you can even do a count as well, like how many customers are there where the working area is either of these three cities, right? So select count of star from customer where working area in Chennai, Bangalore, or Mumbai. Okay, so it will obviously run a map reduce program. So let's see what it returns. Ideally, based on this particular condition, it should return 10 rows. That means count as 10. Okay, so I think it is about to end the map reduce program execution of this. Yeah, so if you see the result, select count of star where the working area is there either of these three, the count that it has given is 10. Okay, so this is what the usability of in clause that is being supported by Hive. Okay, so I hope you found this particular tutorial useful, and you will be able to make use of this in clause in any your actual scenario wherever you need this. Thanks everyone, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.